Look at this. What the heck? My windows are iced up. Okay, y'all. Last time we had a blizzard, which is crazy because I didn't even realize it was a full blown blizzard. And now I ran out of water, so I had to figure something out. So I checked my DoorDash and I checked everything. Everything is closed, like closed down. So there's no going out to get any water. I am therefore going to use the filtered water from the fridge to make my baby's bottles. So y'all about to see me fill that up. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. No big deal. Not to worry too much. I know as moms, we can stress certain things. And then, because I really don't want my baby drinking that water. But you know what? We're just going to filter the water and let it do what it do. You got your dog? Let me see. Alright, one of the most expensive things, y'all, is water these days. I swear, water. We're buying water like crazy because the water in my home is just like, it's yucky. You can look at it and it's all foggy. So, we have this water filtration that we got from Walmart. I will link it in the description. And yeah, it's been coming in clutch. I'm not gonna lie. It's been coming in clutch. So I suggest everybody get one. Especially if you live up north. Can't get to the stores at certain points. Random storms coming through. Get you a water filtration system. And there's nothing in the washer. Thank God.
What is a pig called in Spanish? That's right. Ooh,
Yeah, they just throwing stuff in the middle of this laundry floor. They don't care.
Las
Of course, I'm using all of the
Okay, now that I can talk regular volume, what if we learn how to say goat in Spanish? Let's do that. Let's learn how to say goat in Spanish. Goat is una cabra. Una cabra. Can you say una cabra?
Alright, y'all. The towels typically take 1 hour to wash. Why the puppy sitting down like
because I would watch it too. You know, do that,
now, what in the world is going on?
Please.
I'm about to do some straightening up in my studio space so I can do a little bit of painting, try to fit it in where I can, get this painting done, and I will go away. Today, right now, the kids are doing some Spanish learning. If you have any resources for like learning Spanish or other languages, let me know. Right now, my kids use Duolingo and also YouTube. I'm on YouTube all day and I'm finding videos for them to watch. So if you know any good lessons on YouTube, also let me know. It don't matter about the views or what. I just want them to learn. When you paint it, it can get real messy. Don't judge me. It's something that a lot of people don't know about me is that yes, I'm a stay-at-home mom of 5 kids, and I'm also an artist. I did go to art school. I dropped out. Judge your mama. Don't judge me. But I am back in school for graphic designing full time. Even with my 5 kids, so my schedule is full all day long. I feel like it's not enough hours for me to sleep, eat, do schoolwork, and take care of 5 kids. But you know what? We get it done over here.
Mommy's still doing the video.
Yeah, babe. You want to say hi?
Hi.
All right, y'all. That's it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you have a channel and you subscribe to mine, I will subscribe to yours. Um, I'll be back and I'll be showing you guys more of how my day is going with the kids. Also being a part-time artist. So yeah, let me know in the comments anything y'all want to see. And I'll see y'all later.